Okay, so now I am walking out into the bay here, and this is my nephew and niece, Jason and Virginia. Hi, y'all having a good swim today?
Yes, we do.
Oh, wow, this is got to be the prettiest spot on earth, I'll tell you.
Happy birthday, Ashley!
Yes, happy birthday to Ashley. So I'm just going to take a little walk down the end of the beach here and take in the scenery, and then I'll be back up here. I just did a battery change. Yeah. Yeah, somebody with a little more money than me has that ship. I'm not sure who. But this looks like the scenic walk, so I'll be back in just a few. Ashley's having her snack up there with Lola, so I'm going to take another quick video and that'll probably be it. The water here is just absolutely beautiful. Crystal clear to the bottom. Oop. I better drop the ball here. Oop. Here. Oops, sorry, I'm getting more water on you than in the ball, but here. Okay, I'm gonna take a little walk down the beach and take in the view. Subic Bay in the Philippines. We've been here for about a month now. This is our first big outing, so to speak, for a day. It's our great niece's birthday, Ashley, so we're just taking it all in. And you see there's mountains. On the opposite side of these mountains is Manila Bay, and Corregidor Island is over there. That was a big stronghold during World War II. This was a big naval base up until about early 1990s. Then the Navy and Air Force both left the Philippines, so there is no U.S. military presence to speak of here now. But tourism, I think, is on the up-go. I'll tell you just can't beat the place though for its beautiful beaches, and there's mountains, and as far as I'm concerned, the Philippines is probably the best kept secret there is for tourism. It's you have to get out of Manila though, because inside that's just the city. It's big, it's the size of Los Angeles, it's congested. Yes, they have 5-star hotels there with all the comforts, but to really experience the Philippines and the culture, you have to get out away from the city. And we're staying in Angeles City right now, actually renting back part of a house of somebody we know for a couple of months, and we're living right in there in the neighborhood and taking in all the local markets and really enjoying the place. So I'll walk down just a little further and see what there is to see. Nice day here. Little cabanas that they rent here. This is called the, I can't even think of the name of the beach resort now. We paid a daily fee to stay here. We got our own little cabana, number 6 up there. There's some interesting to see. Yeah, I think they do live performances here at night. I'll walk down a little further. I think it's going to end down here pretty quick. Yeah, my only regret is I didn't get stationed here during my Navy years. It would have really been neat, I think. But this is my second time though. I was here in 2012, 2013 for about 3 months. And as when my wife and I first met, this is her home, so that gives us a little bit of an inroad. And although everybody here speaks very good English and all the writing's in English, it still helps to have somebody who knows the language when you go. But I've never been to Hawaii yet, but I think I would pretty much prefer this over Hawaii, for its beauty and tranquility, and the people here, I'll tell you, they're just as warm and friendly as can be. So anyway, that's a quick tour down the down the beach. Thought I saw a little old fiddler crab here. Maybe not. So we'll head back up and go back and see how Ashley's birthday is doing. We built a sand castle and had all kinds of fun today. So we got a red yellow flag. I've never seen that fly before. Usually a yellow flag means a little bit of caution for the waves, but still able to swim. I'll head back up here and get inside the barrier. I imagine on a weekend this place is very busy, and during the holidays I imagine it's very busy. This is a Tuesday, and since it's our great niece's birthday, we came on a weekday here. Yeah, they maintained the place really nice too. Taking care of it pretty much. Still can't figure out who owns that big boat, but it's somebody with much more money than me. Bit of beach volleyball. Yeah, looks like they're fixing to play a game. Now this is back in the swimming area where it's safe. They've got it roped off there. Don't think you have to worry about the sharks, hopefully. There's part of the hotel. Nice place, Subic Bay. Okay, well, I'll wave again. And back up to our cabana. We'll head on up. And here's Ashley having her morning snack. What you eating? Coke, chocolate cereal? Look pretty good. Well, we built ourselves quite a sand castle, didn't we, today? Okay, so say hi to Lola. Sign off for now.